Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of nature's garden protectors. Did you know that you can enlist the help of wild animals to safeguard your garden? From ants to spiders, these creatures are like your personal garden security team. But before we delve into that, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound history of agriculture. When you cultivate plants for sustenance, you're participating in a cultural revolution that spans over 10,000 years. Agriculture has played a pivotal role in shaping human civilization, and it continues to connect us with the natural world in unexpected ways. Our ancestors transitioned from hunting and gathering to planting and harvesting, marking a turning point where humanity began to distance itself from the wilderness. But despite our advancements, we remain intertwined with the natural world. Agriculture has its challenges, and one of the most significant is dealing with garden pests. While many of us resort to fences and repellents, there's another approach, one that welcomes the wildlife around us. Wise gardeners cultivate a habitat for wildlife that naturally keeps pests in check. It's a holistic approach that not only supports biodiversity but also helps maintain a healthy garden. Our first allies in this endeavor are ants. Did you know that many ant species have been farming for millions of years? And some can be incredibly helpful in your garden. Take weaver ants, for example. They not only protect tree crops from pests but also enhance the quality of produce. Research shows that they can be as effective as pesticides in some cases, leading to higher yields and profits for farmers. Now, let's talk about bats. These nocturnal creatures can be your allies in the battle against garden pests. Just one little brown bat can devour hundreds of insects in a single night, including mosquitoes and crop-damaging moths. They're nature's pest control agents, saving farmers billions of dollars each year. Songbirds, our third allies, are not just beautiful to listen to. They also help regulate populations of pest insects. During the breeding season, many songbirds feed on caterpillars, beetles, and other garden pests. They can significantly reduce the damage caused by these insects, making them valuable garden companions. Next up, we have birds of prey, including owls and hawks. These raptors are formidable hunters that can tackle larger pests like rodents and rabbits. Depending on your specific pest problem, attracting the right bird of prey can be a game changer for your garden. They can help keep your crops safe and reduce the need for chemical pesticides. Dragonflies and damselflies are our fifth allies, and they're experts in aerial hunting. They feast on mosquitoes and other flying pests, making your time in the garden more enjoyable. To attract these acrobatic hunters, consider adding a pond or water feature to your garden. They'll appreciate the environment and keep those pesky insects at bay. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are our sixth allies. These amphibians are natural insectivores, and they can help keep your garden free of pests. With the right habitat, you can encourage these creatures to take up residence in your garden and enjoy the benefits of their pest control prowess. Ladybugs, our seventh allies. These iconic insects are known for their appetite for aphids and other crop-damaging pests. By attracting native ladybugs to your garden, you can ensure a natural and effective way to keep these garden menaces in check. Our eighth allies are green lacewings. They may switch from eating insects as larvae to nectar as adults, but their contribution to insect control is immense. Green lacewing larvae, often called aphid lions, are voracious predators that can devour hundreds of aphids per week. These insects are a valuable addition to your garden's pest control team. Snakes, lizards, and turtles are our ninth allies, and they can help tackle larger pests like rodents and insects. Garter snakes, for instance, prey on crop-damaging herbivores like slugs, snails, and grasshoppers. Providing a suitable habitat for these creatures can make them valuable garden defenders. Last but not least, we have spiders. These often misunderstood creatures are essential members of a healthy garden ecosystem. Spiders, like bats and snakes, can be unfairly typecast. They're adept at catching flying pests like mosquitoes and moths, making them valuable allies in the battle against garden pests. So, there you have it. 10 incredible allies from the wild world that can help protect your garden naturally. Embracing these creatures not only enhances biodiversity but also reduces your reliance on chemical pesticides. Remember, creating a welcoming habitat for these allies is the key. Avoiding harmful chemicals and providing shelter, water sources, and suitable plants can make your garden a haven for these beneficial creatures. If you've had any experiences with these garden allies or have any questions, please share them in the comments below. Let's work together to create healthier, more sustainable gardens. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our gardening tips and nature-inspired content. Until next time, happy gardening.